So I know you all are tired of buying brand new gaming headsets, or you just may be looking for a quick upgrade. I know at least that's what my scenario was. But in my case, my headset is broke. I had a shortage in the wire once again. Unfortunately, it is what it is. I keep buying these cheap headsets and I just be going with the flow. You feel me? So we went ahead and picked this up, a brand new gaming headset today. I bought it from Amazon, quick shipping, got it same day. So I'm about to test them out to see exactly, you know, what these things are about. So these right here are going to be the Turtle Beach's Recon 50. I'm not for sure how I'm gonna feel about these headphones just yet, and I'll tell you guys the price during, you know, towards the end of the video, just so we can go ahead and get a, you know, a true feeling about it, just to make sure that these are actually worth it. So on the box off the rip, it does say that Turtle Beach, they are #1 in gaming audio. I don't know about that just yet because SteelSeries has the same exact thing, but I think SteelSeries may be #1 in everything when it comes down to gaming, I guess. So Turtle Beach saying that, I mean, it could be true, could possibly not be true, who knows. This right here is going to be my second set of Turtle Beach headphones. My first one was going to be the wireless ones, strictly for the Xbox. So I'm an Xbox gamer. Don't hate me, I can't get jiggy with PlayStation for real. I had a PS4 back in 2021. I gave it to my sisters. It is what it is, man. But anyway, let's go and get straight into this unboxing of this Turtle Beach headset. So let me go ahead and rip this mug off right quick. Like I said, I'm so tired of buying new headsets. I really hope that this one is gonna last me for a couple days or whatever. So, but anyway, that's all out of the box. So off the rip, we do go ahead and get us this little nice little package or whatever for the Turtle Beach, strictly with all their logos on it. So we're going to put that to the side right quick. We do get us some documentation as well. It looks like we got something in here. Oh, we got us a Turtle Beach sticker. So we're going to open this up so we can go to see what that sticker looks like, because I've never had one, I guess. Let me see what we got in here right quick. Okay, cool. So yeah, that's a little Turtle Beach sticker and everything. We can go place this somewhere around the house. May put it on the Xbox. I ain't gonna be like everybody else, put it on my MacBook, because that's kind of crazy to me, but it is what it is. Then on top of that, we do get us a PC splitter. This right here is going to be a headphone jack and then also the microphone jack. So if you are trying to split your audio with the, you know, gaming PCs, you can definitely do so with just using this cable right here. Me personally, I won't use it, so we're going to toss that to the side. You know, same thing we did with the documentation. Other than that, here goes the microphone that you do get when you do purchase this headset right here. It is I'm going to open it up. It is a removable microphone, so that's pretty dope. The reason I like these type of headsets, I will say, is because, let's say for instance, if I was somebody who didn't have another pair of headphones I wanted to use, didn't want to use their AirPods, so I wanted to use these gaming, you know, headphones with me, I was just going to remove my microphone, plug this straight up into my MacBook, and then I get to go do editing, or I guess just watch movies with it, something like that. So let's go ahead and take these out of here. Let's go ahead and see what these headphones look like. So straight out the bag, this is what you get. These headphones, I mean, I'm gonna be real with you, I don't know how I feel about it just yet. It is very thin. It's very lightweight for one. But I can already tell that the cable on here is a little bit too short for my liking, but you know, you get what you pay for, basically. And I ain't gonna tell you that these are, you know, very, very cheap or anything. They not that bad. They came in a decent price. They do got like some little type of cotton on here as well, but I think this cotton right here is a little bit thin in my personal opinion. I had headphones that was a little bit better when it came down to the build quality. For one, these are very skinny in my opinion, but once again, it's cool. So let me go ahead and take this off right quick. I do want to put these all over my ear so you guys can see how, you know, I guess my first reaction on putting these on, because I don't know. I'm kind of nervous. I kind of feel like this is going to be like one of those purchases you kind of regret, but at the same time you just be like, whatever. So let's gotta stretch this out, you know, boy got a big old head. So let's go and stretch that out right quick. Okay. I don't know, man. I'm gonna be real. I don't know how I feel already off the rip. I gotta get some gaming into it and I guess sit down and really enjoy it. So far, I'm gonna say this. I hate headphones that come with this type of fabric right here, you guys, on my headset, just because it feels like it's noise canceling everything out, but I guess ideally it's really not. I guess it's really comfortable to some. I like that cotton that cotton texture. I wish I had my other headset here so I could show you guys, but I'll probably show you guys soon. But it's like a cotton texture to it where it just feels, it's cool and it's not hot. I feel like I'm sweating these for some odd reason. You know, it's kind of crazy. So let me know if you guys can relate to that. But let's go ahead and talk about some specs with these headphones right quick. I am going to be reading everything straight off the box right quick. It's not that much. It's just a lot, you know, just a little bit. So straight off, looking at the headphone quality from coming to speakers, they do have like a high quality 40mm speaker. So I don't know if that's really going to be decent. Me personally, from listening to these, I don't think that these are I don't think that these are the loudest, nor do I feel like that they are professional to me, in my opinion, just because they kind of sound like they want to be professional, but it just needs like a little bit more tweaking to do to make it feel great. And it lacks that a lot, and you know, obviously in my opinion. But other than that, like I said, we do have the removable microphone. Then on top of that, we do have the control wheel, I'm gonna call this, or control panel. This right here is gonna be coming with volume control and also mic mute. The volume control is just a simple scroll dial on here. And then the same thing for the mic mute, just a quick up and down motion to mic, you know, to mute your mic and unmute the mic. So that is pretty much, yeah, not even pretty much, but that's everything that really comes with this headset right here. Other than that, man, if you do have a gaming console other than the Xbox, this is compatible with PlayStation, Nintendo Switch, and obviously your PC. So I would recommend going to pick these up if you guys are balling on a budget. I did get these from Amazon, and I will make sure that that these are linked down below in the description, because I only paid about $25 for them at this time in the video. So yeah, it's a cheap, budget friendly, reliable headset. I don't play my Xbox that much, so that's why I didn't really go spend $100, $150 on some headsets, because like I said, I had Turtle Beach before, wireless edition, paid $150 for them. I want to say maybe it took me about probably 2 or 3 months just for me to crack them in half, just from dropping them myself. But I know for a fact I'm gonna be dropping these soon too, so I will be buying me some more, because I'm used to wires longer than this. This is very short. It is. So, but yeah, man, that's all we got for you guys today. I hope you guys definitely enjoyed this video today. Make sure you guys go to subscribe to the channel, like the video, drop a comment down below also if you think that you would be interested in picking up a pair of Turtle Beaches. But most importantly, let me know if you think that Turtle Beach is better than SteelSeries, because I personally, I don't think so. I don't know. I don't know, man. But anyway, you guys, stay tuned. We'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.